why do people buy a CRM? We have a lot of people that come to us and they're coming from two places. They're either on a CRM, wanting a switch because they want more from it, want to spend less, or the people aren't currently using their current one. Or if they're not on a CRM, their business is built out of email inboxes and multiple spreadsheets. You've got key people within the business that hold so much information, not just in spreadsheets, but in their head. So what does a CRM do? All CRMs are basically a big spreadsheet on the back end. But what it brings to the front, it brings uniformity. So we can have shared contacts, shared visible pipelines across the business. When to consider having a CRM is normally when it gets a little bit too complex. If you feel like you're dropping things and you're missing inquiries, or you didn't follow up on a delivery project, that's when a CRM can come in really, really handy. From our side, we find that the numbers, if you have more than 5 employees, you start creaking. That's when people come to us looking for a CRM and they haven't been on one. That's what we find. Like that's usually a good place to start.